How to add pricing table in Squarespace. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add pricing table in Squarespace. How do you go about this? The first thing to do is to log into your Squarespace account, just like I have done here. And then the next thing is, in your web browser, open a new tab and search for the domain name for Elfsight, which is www.elfsight.com. This is because we'll be using Elfsight to add a pricing table to our Squarespace account. So once you've open up the domain name, you'll be taken to the home page of Elfsight, and then you'll be asked to create an account. Ensure you create an account. Once you created an account, you'll be brought to the catalogs page, as you can see on my screen. And then once you're on this catalogs page, by the left side of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Type pricing table. Okay, yes. Then once you've seen it, click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected to another page where you'll be asked to choose a template. This template that you have to choose is based on what you want, and how you want your pricing table to look like. If you want a pricing grid, if you want pricing columns instead, if you want comparison table, service table, etc. Just select the one you want. But since we want a pricing table, we'll be going with pricing columns here. Then click on continue with this template. Then here you can decide to add rooms if you want to, or you could edit the writing by clicking on these three dots here. Once you're done working on it the way you want, you click on publish, which is located at the top right corner of the screen. Okay, once that is done, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be asked to select a plan. All right, so in this tutorial I'll be working with the free plan. You can select any of this plan, all right, but note that you have to pay. Then once you click on select, your code will be made, and then just go ahead and copy your code. Then go back to your Squarespace account, and then on this page by the left side you will see some options. Select website. Once you selected website, a list of options will be displayed. Scroll down and select website tools. Okay, once you selected website tools, a menu will be displayed showcasing some options such as custom CSS, code injection, etc. Just wait for it to load. Once it has loaded, you'll see code injection. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the code injection page where you'll be asked to select where you want the pricing tool to be located. If you want it in the footer or in the header. For me, I'll be selecting the footer, so I'll just come over here, left click, and then paste. Once you paste it, the save icon would be activated, so just click on save icon, and then the pricing table will be added to your website. So to confirm, just go back this way and then click on your website. Once you click on it, scroll down once you get to the footer. Then once you get to the footer, you will see your pricing table already. You can see it here. So this is how you can add pricing table in Squarespace. Thanks for watching.